Welcome. DocuProx is an intelligent AI-based document processing platform. One of the simplest ways to link DocuProx with your current workflow is by using Zapier to connect it to your apps. In this video, we'll show you how to create a Zap that automatically processes an invoice image whenever it's sent to a specific URL. Let's get started. We'll begin in the Zapier editor. A Zap has two parts, a trigger, which starts the workflow, and an action, which is the task that gets performed. Let's set up the action first. We'll search for DocuProx and select it. For the event, we want to process a new document, so we'll choose Process Document. Now, Zapier needs to connect to our DocuProx account. This is done with an API key. To learn how to get your free API key, please refer to our previous video. Let me quickly use my API key, paste it here, and just like that, we're connected. Next, we need to tell DocuProx what kind of document we're processing. We do this with a template ID. I'll go to my templates in DocuProx and copy the ID for my invoice template. Back in Zapier, I'll paste that ID right here. This tells DocuProx exactly what data to look for. Now we need to set up our trigger, how we get the file into this workflow. For the trigger, we'll use webhooks by Zapier. This is a great way to receive data from almost any source. For the event, we'll select Catch Raw Hook, which lets us receive files. Now, Zapier gives us a unique URL. This URL is the entry point for our automation. We'll copy it. To test this, we're going to use Postman to simulate sending a file to our new webhook URL. We'll set up a new post request and paste in the URL. In the body, I'll make sure the type is set to File, give it a key name, let's call it Invoice Image, and upload our sample invoice. Now, we'll click Send, and we get a success message. That means our webhook has received the file. Back in Zapier, let's test our trigger. Zapier checks the URL, and there it is. It found the request and our image file. Perfect. Now for the final step, connecting our trigger to our action. We'll go back to our DocuProx action. In the image file field, we can now select the file that came from our webhook. I'll search for my key name, invoice image, and select the file data. Let's continue and test the entire step. And there's our result. DocuProx has successfully processed the image and extracted all the data, the invoice number, the date, the line items, the total amount, and other details, all neatly structured. And that's it. Now, anytime a file is sent to our webhook URL, this Zap will automatically run, saving us time and ensuring our data is captured accurately. Get started for free by visiting DocuProx.com. Thanks for watching.